In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on Shopify step-by-step Shopify tutorial. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need while I explain what each screen means so you know why you're doing it and what to prepare. First, head to Shopify's website. This is where you'll start your online store. On the homepage, click Start for free. This begins your trial and takes you into the setup flow so you can get your store framework in place without paying upfront. Next, if you're prompted to choose an account, click your account to continue. You may see a security confirmation screen. Click Confirm to proceed. If Shopify shows an early subscription or plan page, click Skip. Skipping here simply lets you finish setup first. You can choose a plan later once your store is ready. You'll land on a short setup questionnaire. Click the field labeled, What can we help you do? This helps Shopify tailor your dashboard. Type into the highlighted field with the option that best matches your goal, whether you're testing an idea, moving from another platform, or getting ready to sell. Then click Continue to move ahead. If you see a highlighted prompt to enter your new admin, click it. Inside your Shopify admin, look for the To-Dos panel and click To-Dos. This checklist keeps you focused on the essentials so you can launch faster. Start with your catalog. Click Add your first product. This opens the product page where you can enter a clear title, write a helpful description, upload high-quality images, set your price, and manage stock if you track inventory. A concise title and a few crisp photos go a long way toward building buyer trust. Next, click Customize your online store. This opens the theme editor. Here you can choose a theme, adjust sections, add your logo, set colors and fonts, and organize your homepage. Keep it simple at first. A strong banner image, a featured collection, and clear navigation help shoppers explore confidently. Now, click Set up a payment provider. This is where you enable payments so you can accept orders. Choose the provider that fits your region and business needs, and have your business details ready so payouts work smoothly. Then click Review your shipping rates. Make sure your domestic and international rates make sense for your product's size and weight. Clear, predictable shipping builds trust and reduces cart abandonment. Finally, click Customize Domain. Connecting or purchasing a custom domain makes your store look professional and easier to remember. Pick something short, on-brand, and easy to spell. That's it. With these clicks, you've created the foundation of your Shopify website. Products, design, payments, shipping, and your domain, so you're well on your way to launch.